Hello, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to solve the case of the Microsoft Excel Collegiate Challenge 2023 of October, so a couple of days ago, the date of recording of this video. This will be a live attempt, so I've never seen this case before. Let's see how it goes. I think this is structured in different cases, actually. Uh, yeah. Okay, so those will be one for 100 points, and this another 400 points, but is this the same? Okay, so the answer was probably a little bit different as a format, and then we have this other one, which is 600. I think I will go for the first one to contain the length of the video, and then eventually upload another one. So let's see. Excel Battlefield, you take on the role of a commander. Every level consists of 20 different battlegrounds, each with initial power for your army, specific power levels for the 20 enemy armies you will face. After the battle, your army's power increases by adding the power of the defeating enemy army. The objective is to calculate and predict the outcomes of each battleground based on the provided scenarios. Performance is assessed to require fields in each level. Okay. Um, there are 5 difficulty levels. Okay, so level 1 starts the total power army. Total power of your army will up if you were to win every battle. Uh, okay, so 399,000 something, which is basically the sum of everything. So is this plus this, I think. Uh, okay, so is this probably very easy. I cannot double check the answer, so let's see where I got to. Tactical thematics call on a specific run. Assume your army has succeeded in all the runs leading up to this, but they will step back without facing the enemy this time. Your mission is to calculate total power of your forces. Hold before this round. Sharpen strategies, commander. Okay. So starting power is this time out round 12, and so for the example is 14, which is basically the sum of this, yes, plus this. So I will say sum of take of this entire thing for the first x column plus, no, plus nothing because this is a sum, plus this. Let's see. Actually -1 because I need to exclude the last. Yeah. Okay, and that would be my formula, hopefully. So 5, 7, 8. Okay. Level 3 in March to Fall, your army continues through the battles, absorbing the power of each enemy they overcome. However, if they meet an army with a greater strength, the journey stops. To make it clear, if strengths of both armies are the same, then your army wins and continues its journey. Your task is to determine the round where your army's run finishes. From the defeated streak across all battles, denote the answer with cell with U. Essential power 5, 3, 8, 18. I win, so it will be 8. Win against 8, so in case of tie, I win. I get to 16, and then I lose, so I end in round 3. Okay, so I start with 4. I win, win. 8 plus 8 is 16, I win. 16 plus 30 is 14 is 30, I win. No, I lose actually. Oh, I don't know. Let's build an helper worksheet. Uh, so it will be example 3 to X lookup this here and here. Okay, we transpose. Know what is going on. Transpose basically this. I will start with this. So if this greater than or equal than this is 1, otherwise it's 0. Um, Plus if this equals 1 is this plus this, otherwise nothing. Need to go down like this, and basically we are saying that my first loss will be at round 9, and so it will basically a match of 0 against this array, exit match. Okay, if error, I need to return EU. Okay, let's try to scale it. So this will be 41 to 60. So let's build the usual data table. Let's update. And I said 41 to what? 41 to 60. So those will be the answers. Okay. Level 4 strategic stack. Similar to level 3, you have to turn it around when our forces meet their defeat. But with a twist, armies may not absorb 100% of energy of enemy's power. It varies among 6 different armies. The corresponding utilization of the enemy's power is provided, along with specific army type sent to each battleground. Your run still ends if you encounter an enemy with a greater power. Choose wisely, Commander. Essential power 4. Opponent army powers 1, 4, 8, 14, 13. Rapid assault army type means that only 90% of this power will be added to our army strength. Okay, basically this is the table. So armies absorptions. If I go to example 4, uh, 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 which is this one. If I X look up this in armies and absorptions, I get my not getting for which reason actually. Oh, those are merged cells, which I hate completely because every time, oh, armies is just column R. Okay, now hopefully this is working now. Okay, so 0.9 is my absorption factor. So that will be the previous one times the absorption factor. Basically saying that I'm going to die at round 5, and that's pretty much correct. So 61 to 80 will be my answers. 61 to 80. Will be interesting to double check those results. Basically to die, yes, right away. Round 6. Let's try. So Black Ops absorb 110%, basically. Yeah. Uh, so I go to 4.1, 4.1. Okay, makes sense. Level 5 actually reinforcements rally. Each army type can now call on backup forces specific round, potentially altering previous battle outcomes. potentially other in previous battle outcomes. Consider these missile rounds from level 4. If a unit had a backup available under this missile round, they will now be saved. For example, if an elite army faced dismissal in round 5 and backup was available for elite forces in round 5, they will continue to fight. Determine if these reinforcements would have changed any level 4 outcomes. Mark yes if saved by backup and no otherwise stay vigilant. Okay, so I just need to understand if in the round where I'm going to die, this I have a backup, so I have a job. I have this possibility to be saved. Okay. So in this case, for example, at round 5, I'm going to die. I am rapid assault. Rapid assault has no backup in round 5, so basically I'm not going to be saved. That's interesting. So I'm assuming those are exactly the same. Yes. Okay. And of course, if this is a U, so I always win, I will not be saved by the backup. Okay, so what if I just say if this equals U, it's no. Otherwise, um, if, or this equals, we put a placeholder here, it's yes, otherwise it's no. Uh, let's call this reinforcements because what I would like to say is index of reinforcements where row number is match of this thing against the army's exit match, and I want the war column. So basically here I'm dying at round 1 and home guard as a backup in round 1, so that might be correct. Here I'm dying in round 6, Black Ops have no one in round 6, Master Miners dying, no, actually always winning, so home guard again in round 2 and home guard has no one in round 2. So rapid assault, I'm dying in round 4 and I have backup. So I think it's correct, honestly. So okay, that has been very, very simple. Um, let's try to maybe have a quick look at this to understand if this is doable. Well, it seems like classes just started after some break. It's almost time to start traveling the semester. Several of your friends have asked for help in understanding their class schedules. Have them really wanted to analyze their class schedules and give them key information such as the early start time, total hours in class. Okay, course list. Okay. I will think I will stop the video here and make another one to tackle this, since it's quite late at night here in Italy. So thank you very much for seeing this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.